Happy very beginning of spring. Here is our little town, Secretary, Maryland, and I thought I would share a view from the water, which is at the end of our lane. There's Boone enjoying the day. It was a little brisk but fun, and this is the street. So if you walk up from the water's edge is behind us now. There's the boat ramp, there's the dock, and as we continue walking up, our house is at the end of the street. I apologize for the very choppy film work. I was walking our dogs at the same time as I was filming, and hence the jerky kind of movements here. Sorry. The water is the Warwick River, and it runs along here. It's behind the house to the right, Maddie and Malcolm's house, and it runs up along actually the side of our house at the end of the street. It turns into more of like a watershed, and the Warwick River connects to the Choptank, which then connects to the Chesapeake Bay. And there is a marina not too far from us where during the summer we're looking forward to spending a lot of time. The house on the right is not occupied right now, so we have yet to meet the owner. The back of their house hits the river, and then along here, that's our house. So our house, all along the right-hand side, are the grasses that you can see and the birds, and it's really, really beautiful.